ปราสาทตาเมือนทมปราสาทตาเมือนทม is the biggest castle of ตาเมือนทม Historical Park. It is established on the hill in the image of สยามภูศิวลึง Presumed as the place for ceremony, the castle consists of ปราสาทประธาน two sandstone pagodas, literally Banalai Pool. The location of the castle is the nearest to Cambodia border. It matches to presuming as the Ta Mueang Historical Park is brought to the city of Khmer in the past.